The American-made 500S is a fully hydraulic part of DoALL's new structural family of bandsaws. The 500S features a 14-inch by 20-inch capacity of rectangles and 15-inch rounds at 0 degrees. With a swivel head that moves 60 degrees, it's the ideal machine for a fabricator who needs excellent miter cutting performance in a reliable and affordable American-made saw. The solid construction creates an unparalleled longevity, from the precision welded frame through to the machine's cast steel wheels. The DoALL 500S has standard features that other manufacturers routinely charge extra for. Our extensive list of standard equipment includes the following: swivel head positionable to 60 degrees, powered band brush to keep band clear of chips and allow for extended life of your machine's band, replaceable steel wear plate on the bed, which allows users to bring the saw back to brand new condition, saw guides, spring-loaded with carbide-faced inserts, work support trays, the perfect helper when working on larger pieces, pedestal-mounted remote control console, which allows you to customize the configuration of your machine's operator area, manual and semi-automatic operation, band door interlocks for the highest level of operator safety, hydraulic head lift, data chart with sawing recommendations, complementary coolant package, large 20-inch band wheels which eliminate band fatigue, and one bimetal saw band. The wide variety of available accessories has been engineered to extend the machine's versatility and productivity even further. They provide close tolerance machining and reliable operation, extend operating life, and reduce machining time. Call your local sales rep for pricing on our optional accessories, which include gravity roller conveyors, additional conveyor rollers, set of vertical guide rollers, band mist lubricator, work light, hydraulic vertical hold down, variable vice pressure, and laser light.